guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Jiyanmumma. It's me Jiya. In today's video we are going to do the continuation of our previous video. If you all have not seen it, please do check the icon above. So come on guys, let me take you in with me. This place is covered with stars everywhere. It is looking totally amazing. The song which is being played in the background is a Konkani song. It is the mother tongue of Goa. In this place, the thing which I like the most is this moving Santa Claus. For a lot of time we admired Santa's movements and we clicked some photos with it. Next to Santa there was a basket of chocolate. We thought of buying some things, but then we came to know that these are not for sale. There were also some photo shoots going on. Looking at the stars hanging up in the sky, I remembered my childhood rhymes, Twinkle Twinkle Little Stars. It had become too late and we had to leave this beautiful place and return home. So guys, this was it for today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to press the red subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get all my updates. I shall see you all in my next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.